You ever buy something from Amazon thinking it'll be useless? And then it accidentally becomes your favorite thing ever? Yeah, these are those items. Today I've got 6 Amazon finds that will actually change your life. Let's dive in. Let's be honest, we've all microwaved the same meal 3 times because work got in the way. The FEPPO food. Warming mat solves that. This sleek mat uses graphene heating film to evenly warm your food. No cold spots, no soggy microwaves. It has 6 adjustable heat levels, a 6-hour timer, and even rolls up for storage. Perfect. For desk lunches, parties, or buffets when you just can't eat on time. It's like a personal food butler that never complains. Link for the warming mat is in the description. Now, if you live on your phone or laptop, like most of us, this one's a game changer. The UGREEN Nexode 20,000 mAh power bank is massive in power, but still compact in design. It supports 130 watts PD fast charging, which means it can even charge your MacBook, iPad, or Samsung S24 Ultra. It's got 3 ports, a smart TFT display, and an industrial techie look that feels premium. If you're the person who always borrows a charger, this thing will make you the hero of every trip. Check the link below for the UGREEN Nexode. This one's for digital nomads or anyone who can't stand typing on glass screens. The SIKAI case. Foldable Bluetooth keyboard is so compact it literally fits in your pocket, but opens into a full aluminum keyboard. It even has a magnetic stand for your tablet or phone and gives those quiet tactile clicks you don't get from touchscreen typing. Perfect for working on the go, coffee shop, flight, or even the passenger seat of your car. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and folds like origami, but way cooler. You'll find the SIKAI keyboard link in the description. You know those cinematic drone shots people post on vacation? Yeah, this little guy can do that, without emptying your wallet. The Velcase 1080p foldable drone comes with a HD FPV camera, gesture and voice control, and 1-key takeoff/landing. It's beginner-friendly, folds up neatly, and comes with its own carry case. You can do flips, follow waypoints, and capture stunning aerial videos, even if you've never flown a drone before. Honestly, it's the perfect first drone for kids, or anyone who just wants to have fun. Link for the Velcase drone is below. Alright, this one's for all my road warriors and travelers, the EcoNour steering wheel desk. It instantly turns your car into a mobile office or mini dining table. You just hook it onto your steering wheel and boom. You've got a flat surface for your laptop, lunch, or notebook. It even has a pen slot and drink holder, which means yes, you can eat, work, and answer emails, all from your car. Just not while driving, okay? Link for the EcoNour steering desk is in the description. And finally, the Joyroom magnetic suction cup phone mount. If you film TikToks, create reels, or just love hands-free videos, this mount will make your life easier. It sticks to mirrors, windows, or any flat surface, and the strong MagSafe hold keeps your phone steady. You can rotate it for perfect lighting. Use it in the shower, yes, really, or stick it to your desk for calls and filming. It's compact, adjustable, and feels like it was made for creators. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever filmed without it. Check the Joyroom mount link below. So yeah, 6 simple Amazon finds that genuinely make life easier, more productive, and a little more fun. No gimmicks. Just everyday upgrades that actually work. All the links are in the description. Check them out and tell me which one you'd grab first.